Hello, dear students. Good morning to one and all. I hope you all are safe and sound during these tough times of pandemics. So let's get started with our today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, that is natural vegetation and wildlife in India and Brazil. Let us first understand what are the factors that affect the type of vegetation of any region. The location and physiography of the region, amount of rainfall received, and temperature are the major factors that affect the type of vegetation of any region. Now, let us focus on the different types of vegetation found in the country of Brazil. Yes, starting from the north, we are having the evergreen equatorial forest in the northernmost part of Brazil. This is the first major division of vegetation. So let's get some more details about the same.
From the northern part of Brazil, this is the latitude called 0 degree latitude. Passing from the northern part, this is called equator. So, the northern part of Brazil is an equatorial belt which receives direct perpendicular sun rays. It means it is a region of high temperature and convectional type of rainfall occurs in this region. It receives convectional type of rainfall. It means it rains throughout the year, and both these features supports plant growth. 2000 millimeter of rainfall plus average temperature ranging between 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. So, due to this, evergreen equatorial forest is found in this region. This is the first type of vegetation of Brazil in the northern part, evergreen equatorial forest. So this is the first type of vegetation in the northern part of Brazil, that is evergreen forest, equatorial forest in the northern part of Brazil.
Now, these are some pictures of beautiful evergreen rainforest. Students, can you see the lush greenery over this region? This is the evergreen equatorial forest in Brazil in the northern part. One more important feature I would like to share with you all, that this region is also called as the lung of the world. Why? Because it releases the highest amount of oxygen in the environment. This is one of the feature of this region. Now let's learn the next type of vegetation in Brazil, that is the savanna grasslands. Yes, in the central part of Brazil, this is the savanna grasslands. Let's know some more facts about the same.
Now, as we move from north to central part, the amount of rainfall reduces. In the second division of the type of vegetation of Brazil is the savanna tropical grasslands. This is the region of savanna grasslands. This is tropical type of grassland. It is a rolling grassland with scattered trees and shrubs. Savanna have two distinct seasons in regards to precipitation, that is rainy and dry season, and there are often large herds of grazing animals on the savanna that thrive on the abundance of grass and trees. So this is the second type of vegetation in Brazil, that is tropical grassland, also known as savanna grasslands.
Now these are the two pictures of savanna grasslands. Students, you can see the rolling grass over acres of land with number of grazing animals. Yes, so this is savanna grasslands. Now, we learned the two major types of vegetations of Brazil. That is the evergreen rainforest, the savanna grasslands. The other types of vegetations of Brazil are hot deciduous forest in the coastal belt, the caatinga in the northern part which is having the thorny shrubs due to low rainfall, the Pantanal region which is also called as the largest wetland of the world, and the pampas, the temperate grasslands. This all we will discuss in our next class. But before that, I would like to share some pictures of the same. This is savanna grasslands. This is the Pantanal region, which is also having the largest reptile of the world, that is anacondas. This is the hot deciduous forest in the coastal belt of Brazil. These are the thorny shrubs in the Caatinga region, which I always told you about, the rain shadow zone, that is drought quadrilateral. And this is the temperate grasslands, also known as the pampas. So all these other features we will discuss in our next class of this lesson. But before that, I would like to give you some work as homework that you need to finish off. So this is your today's homework. Based on the diagram given above, you need to fill this table, and if you find any doubts, you can clear it in our next class. So till then, stay safe, stay sound. Bye to all.